This is a room tour of 14374 at the Luxor. I think we're in the tower, Silver Tower, and this is a 1-bedroom tower suite. Like I say, it's in the Silver Tower. As you come in, you've got a full lounge area. It's very nice. We've never stayed in anything like this before. You've got a full wet bar, coffee maker. I'm not sure whether the coffee's included, with a sink. You have got your own personal fridge, so that'll be getting filled up with some cold drinks soon. You've got hand wash, body lotion. You've got a table and 2 chairs to sit at to have some food. You've got your telly, and then you've got a whole lounging area, which is amazing. This is a lovely room. We've had about a 3-hour wait for it. Had a bit of a nightmare at checking. They've just changed their systems, so. But we talked about that in the vlog, so I won't go into it on the room tour. Then you've got a nice king bed, which is lovely, and a writing desk in the corner, and table. And then you've got another little chair there, and your telly and drawer space. I'll have to find out where the safe is and everything. We've literally just walked in. We've got quite a nice view. We've got Excalibur, the back end of Excalibur and the mountains and things like that, so it's not a bad view at all. And then I'll show you the bathroom, which is pretty impressive. I had a sneaky look before I did this tour for you. So we've got sort of an open closet in the bathroom. I'm not sure why hotels do this, but it's fine. Then we've got double vanity, very nice, with your toilet. And then when you back out, you've got a soaking tub, and then you've got a full-size shower as well. So it's all very nice. We're here for 11 nights, so we're going to enjoy this room. We're not moving again. We've managed to link all the bookings. It took a while, but we managed to do it. And we're going to enjoy this room, have a rest, relax, and then get on with it. So I shall leave you with that view, and thanks for watching the room tour. This is a tower 1-bedroom suite. Thanks for watching.